Welcome to my channel. This is boyjim. In this video I'm gonna show you on how to create a Windows 10 bootable flash drive. So if you want to learn, stay there and watch this video.
Ah, hi. Anyway, sa palabas mga boy. Walang bayad-bayad. Kaibigan ko yan.
Walang bayad,
Walang bayad yan. Kung may bayad yan, alam mo na, bakla yan.
Ayaw niyang filler.
Oh,
Alam niyo itong filler. Nagagamit din yan.
murang-mura lang yan. Walang bayad yan.
Walang bayad yan.
So guys, we will start now to create a bootable flash drive. But before we start to create a bootable flash drive, I would like to move all my files here. So if you boot a bootable flash drive on your flash drive, if you have some important files, you can just highlight it all and copy and transfer to another. Because if you don't transfer this, if you don't transfer your files, then if you create a bootable, then all of your files will gonna be erased. So what I'm gonna do is transfer my files to another. So I'm just gonna create a new folder and my files and just paste here. So okay guys, we already transfer now our all files. So we will now start to create a bootable. So remember guys, all we need to create a bootable flash drive is a flash drive, an application. So what we're gonna use this time is Power ISO. So this is a Power ISO application. We will use this to create a bootable flash drive and the Windows 10 files, the operating system Windows 10 files. So okay guys, all need is the tree. So if you don't know guys how to download this, just go to my videos, or you can check on my in the down below in my description on how to download this application and how to download this file, Windows 10 file. So you can just click my videos and you can find or check on my description. Remember how to download the Windows 10 operating system file and the how to download the Power ISO application. So okay guys, let's start to create a bootable flash drive. So we just open this You can open or double click, or open, right click and open. So in this, guys, what we're gonna doing is create a bootable flash drive. So we're not gonna burn some CD or create a CD drive, a bootable CD. What we're gonna do is create a bootable flash drive. So go to the tools, and create a bootable USB drive. Click, OK. Then here, so as you can see, guys, it's already the power isob is now selected the flash drives automatically detect. But you can also adjust. If you have another flash drive that you plug, just click here and find your flash drive here. Then next is you need the file, the Windows 10 file. So I'm just gonna here click the three dot, and go to the desktop. So we go to the desktop where we put the Windows 10 operating system file. So I'm just gonna click desktop and here, then open. Then we can start now to create a bootable flash drive. So all you need to do is click the start and OK. So we are now creating a bootable flash drive. So all you need to do is wait until it finishes. So it's finished now, the creating of a bootable flash drive. So you need to click OK, and that's it. Just close and exit the application. Then as you can see, guys, we create now a bootable flash drive. So you can use now to boot your computer and reformat and install Windows 10 on your laptop or computer, and etc. the others. So as you can see, guys, now we created now a bootable flash drive, a Windows 10 bootable flash drive. So I hope, guys, you learned something on this video, and if you are new, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more update. So I hope, guys, you learned something. So thank you for watching, and bye for now.